Hello friends, welcome you all to this next episode of Smart Finance with M&A, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the different asset classes wherein you can invest. But before heading on to that concept, it is important that we understand some concepts like risk appetite, and how do you actually allocate your funds to these asset classes. So if I talk about risk is basically in one word, it is uncertainty. Uncertainty about if you have expected your returns, a certain percentage of returns, you are not getting that returns, or your returns might be at a different timeline as per, not as per your expectation. So that is what is risk, things not going as per your expectations. But if I talk about risk appetite, I think it varies investor to investor, right?
Yeah, so I think risk appetite is your capacity to take that risk. आपकी risk लेने की क्षमता कितनी है?
Okay.
So there is a concept called risk averse, risk taker. So probably we are what you would call risk takers. We have our entire lives ahead of us.
Absolutely.
तो हम सोच सकते हैं कि हाँ चल हम risky asset classes में invest करने की क्षमता रखते हैं.
Right.
Because we understand that we can make that money again if ever we want that.
Mm-hmm.
And there are so basically our parents or our grandparents that have to have certain amount of monthly maintenance. For example, या फिर उनको corpus उनको protect करके रखना है. So in this situation they will not be able to invest their money into risky asset classes. Of course, some percentage can always be allocated, but they cannot invest their entire savings into, say, an equity fund or an equity shares. So this person is something which is called as a risk averse person.
Okay, got it. However, I would consider myself as risk neutral, because now we are at a stage where a lot of us would be having some financial commitments, and we would be needing a certain amount every month fixed, and yes, the excess funds can then be invested into riskier assets.
Yeah.
Now we need to head on to asset allocation. So basically मैंने बात की कि मैं risky assets में भी डालूंगा, शायद थोड़े से less risky assets में भी डालूंगा, but उसके लिए मुझे समझना होगा asset allocation. So what is asset allocation? Asset allocation is whatever funds you have to invest. So in our previous videos we had discussed your earnings, your expenses, your fixed expenses.
Budgeting is a very important part for you to understand what is the amount that you can put apart for savings and investment. फिर तुम decide कर लो कि तुमको SIP करना है. फिर then it comes to the determination of an asset class. Then the entire decision.
So out of your savings, the amount that you wish to invest, you will need to understand आप कितना उसका proportion risky assets like equity shares या mutual fund में डालेंगे, या कितना आप fixed return instruments, for example fixed deposits में डालेंगे, right?
Exactly. So when you talk about asset classes, I think we can delve into this a bit deeper. I think there are various types of asset classes such as equity, mutual funds, real estate, bolo. There are new age asset classes that have come up, P2P lending, REIT, InvITs. Angel investing has taken speed. So angel investing is a new asset class that has come up, and a lot of people are investing in it. So I think considering the quantum of asset classes that we need to cover, this will be a separate series, and we look forward to have you here for the entire series.
Definitely guys, we would want you to stay tuned to our channel for the upcoming series, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel, because इसमें कोई risk नहीं है, ये guarantee मैं देता हूँ. Do comment your thoughts below so that we learn from them, because that is how you learn, we learn, and together we grow.
Thank you guys.